I found this griddle pan in my attic. I have no idea where it came from. Pretty sure my parents didn't use it. They probably got it from an uncle or some shit, I don't know. But it's got some rust on it and it needs to be brought back to life. So, I'm gonna do that, but check the back of this thing out here. Look at all that. Yeah, I don't know how that happened. This is supposed to sit on top of an electric oven. So how the hell do you get all this soot? But either way, we're gonna shine it up right now. So we gotta start off here by giving a good scrubbing. Scrub that thing up and get all that shit off of it so I don't have to keep dealing with all that crap. Yeah, buddy, that's pretty fucking satisfying, isn't it? It already looks a lot cleaner than it did. Christ, it's not covered in black. I still don't, did they put it over a fire? What did they do? I have no idea. But either way, we're gonna make this thing look as new as we can. Yeah, that's right. The palm sander, baby. This thing, I fucking love this thing. I'm telling you, this thing has so many uses. And it's totally bringing that natural aluminum luster back to this thing. I know it's aluminum, and I know that there are going to be some people like, you shouldn't heat and cook with aluminum, and I get it, okay? But we're all going to fucking die at some point, and especially with me getting Alzheimer's from the aluminum vapors, I'm not going to remember it, so it doesn't really matter. But look at this thing. It's fucking shiny now, baby. That's right. It looks brand new. There's not a spot of rust on it. Well, maybe one spot or two. I still don't know where they got the word automatic griddle. That's what this thing is called, the automatic griddle. Whatever. We're gonna heat it up here so that we can get all that water off that we just put on there. Make sure it's absolutely dry before I do this step where we oil it. We're gonna season this pan. That's right, just like you would a cast iron pan, because this thing is so fucking old, 350 degrees-ish. So I overshot it, who cares? And then we're just gonna throw this in the oven to help seal all those pores in the metal with all this oil, and that's going to really help it bring it back to life and give it a new lease on life, essentially. Now look at it, yeah, all that oil that you see there that's like baked on, that's called polymerized, I believe, polymerized, something like that. Either way, it's coated in oil and it's protected, and now I can use it, baby.